Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about that's why they sealed the bag. Man films Doordash driver sneaking food from sealed McDonald's order. So we got a dirty dasher deciding to steal food from a customer. And it wasn't that the customer exposed them. This is just a third party that is recording the driver. Now, I don't know the full story, and I don't really like to expose drivers on this channel, but I do believe that integrity goes both ways. So with that said, we are talking about everything that is being said in this article, how it actually is for Doordash, UberEats, and Grubhub drivers and customers, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. A Doordash delivery driver was caught sneaking a snack from a customer's order by a covert TikToker who filmed the whole thing. The worker was able to get his hand in the bag, pulled something out, and was definitely chewing when the TikTok user confronted him. This is just another series of stories about delivery app workers doing a taste test for their customers. Wow, okay. I mean, I'm not saying that this guy is in the right. He's probably not. In fact, he's most definitely not if he's actually stealing the food. But also, why do I hate the way you phrased that? Like, it's just another story of delivery app workers. Like, you do know that there are good gig workers out there, right? DoorDasher filmed having a taste. TikToker Bryoncleanupcrew posted the video of the forbidden snack on Sunday and soon gained over 572,000 views. He filmed the man, a presumed DoorDash delivery worker, in a bike helmet, fussing with the sealed bag in a McDonald's. He reached in, pulled his hand out, and then clearly started to eat whatever he grabbed. The things you do for content, huh? I'm going to leave his TikTok as well as his profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject.
That's your food? That's your food? That's you? Yeah.
Okay, just by the way the driver was acting is a little suspicious, but it could also be very much a person that just ordered online and picked up their own food. That also said, I almost don't believe that for a second. If you just got your food, right? Why are you trying to eat it there at the McDelivery station, as opposed to sitting down at one of the tables or just heading out from there? Like, I could guarantee to a certain degree, this will most likely be a driver with a stacked order, and they thought to take some of the food for themselves. That is what I'm noticing. The TikToker tagged DoorDash in the post, but they haven't responded yet. This might have something to do with the fact that these sneak taste tests seem to happen all the time. In January 2023, a customer caught their own delivery driver eating their entire sushi order. In 2024, DoorDash started making workers open sealed bags to photograph everything inside because so many customers reported missing items. Let the record show that for something that is happening all the time, their only reference points are in 2023 and 2024. It is July 31st, 2025. If it's happening all the time, and it's not just customers looking for some refund, then why exactly don't you have more recent touch points? Is it because you're just trying to perpetuate even more propaganda than you already have been? Okay, I thought so. I never have food delivered. Fellow DoorDash users and drivers alike report hearing similar stories or witnessing these little thefts themselves. In the comments, many TikTokers warned each other away from using the app at all. I'm a DoorDasher, and I would never use these delivery apps. I caught another driver doing the same thing, but he waited until he got in his car. Yeah, you see, that's another thing. Like, you would think that if he's actually trying to steal food, he wouldn't be so obvious about it. That also said, not all criminals are intelligent. And this is why I never have food delivered. Hell, it's bad enough trusting the people in the restaurant to prepare the order correctly and without nastiness. You know, it's funny you say that because I was just having a conversation today with a fellow gig worker, and we were just talking about how much better we feel just cooking our own food at home. And honestly, I definitely feel better. Like, I've been making my own meals. I've been making my own quesadillas, my own pastas and stuff like that. It has been delightful. And I definitely feel a difference in my body. My Uber the other day, the cup had no safety seal and was a quarter empty. And I was missing 4 wings from my order, reported Pappy Mouse. Luckily, I got a refund. That's not always the driver's fault, though. If the order is sealed and there's missing items from the order, that's not the fault of the driver. That's the fault of the restaurant. The quarter cup empty thing, that's sometimes what the restaurant does, too. And that ends up on the driver. Or this is another thing that's happened. I ended up doing a delivery for a diner, and they refused to give me the safety cardboard thing for the coffee. And I ended up burning my hand on the coffee, and they had to remake it for me. I went into my car and got the carrier because it was that bad. Like, that's actually a hazard that needs to be resolved. I don't care what anybody says. The crazy part is they can do that in their car where no one can see. B1081 pointed out. You see what I mean? Like, they could actually be sneakier about it. That also said that person was wearing a helmet, so I don't know how valid that statement actually is. They might be a bike dasher, but still. A couple people did call into question whether the man in the video was really a DoorDash driver, however. Who's to say that's not his food? Asked Ashley Bear 243. He's wearing a bicycle helmet. He probably got one of those bags to carry all the food because he's on a bike. Duh. Who's to say he's a DoorDash driver? You see, that's what I'm saying. He literally just said he is a DoorDash driver. And if somebody approached me and saying, "That's your food? That's your food?" I would be suspicious of that. Like, why are you asking me that? This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. Now you pay me. There you go. I know that this is going to come across the wrong way. I don't know if he's actually a DoorDash driver. If he is a DoorDash driver or any gig app worker in general, I am frustrated for the gig community because this is inevitably put on them. Just listen to how the first paragraphs were. Just another in the series of stories about delivery app workers doing a taste test for their customers. Delivery app workers is such an all-encompassing thing to where all of the negative stories end up on them, like it's their fault for existing in that realm. Now, it is a sealed bag, so it is safe to assume it is at least an online order, but at the same time, it could very well just be his food. I do like how we're having the conversation of this is why we don't use DoorDash as a platform. And it's not just because of the DoorDash drivers, it's because people that are outside of you are handling your food. That's a completely different conversation. But I also noticed that there are a lot of holes in the story and a lot of things that are put on the driver that isn't really relevant here, at least in my opinion. My Uber the other day, the cup had no safety seal and was a quarter cup empty. That's not the driver. The driver doesn't do that. Like, the safety seals come from the restaurant. The wings come from the restaurant and are sealed. The drink, it's not like they're taking a drink from your cup or anything like that. It's just you want to believe that. So therefore it is. I just hope that it's actually a DoorDash driver, honestly, because the opposite result would be this random guy went to get his food and is now viral because he existed in a McDonald's and somebody had a phone and a TikTok account, because that would be screwed up, at least in my opinion. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time.